Today, guys, we're gonna play. Wait, hindi ata pantay. Then, yeah, we're gonna play Cock Guinea Laser. I saw this one girl. Okay. Oh my god, muntik na ako. Okay, let me lock in. The hard part. Oh my! Cut. Oh my god, ang hirap talaga sa part na yun. Okay. Okay, tatapusin ko na to. Oh my god! No! Cut. Yan guys, nalimutan ko pa i-play. Ah. Oh my god. Ang hirap pala nito pag walang jump cut. Pero kaya yan. Kahit 0 followers pa ako. Yun! Thank you guys for watching. Maganda pala itong laro na to. Bye!